Hey everyone, most of you know who I am. I'm Praveen, the JavaScript guy, and recent times I have been noticing that my LinkedIn has been a bit slower, and when I open it in my browser, it has been spiking my CPU usages very high. So I decided to investigate what exactly was happening, and then boohoo, I found this. Okay, before blaming me on anything, yes, I need to update my software, I need to upgrade my browser, whatever it is. I checked with a computer brand new, which has not switched on or anything, and a lot of different things. Okay, now you could see that on the right side, we have the network tab, and on the bottom, we have a console tab as well. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to switch on my LinkedIn, whether it is profile or anything. Boom! Look at the number of requests that's going on. Crazy number of requests. I don't understand what exactly is happening at this point. Okay, so if you want me to do it again with zoomed in and everything, I can do it right away. Just give me one moment. So here is a zoomed in version. Let me do a LinkedIn. Boom. 100, 200, 250, 300, 320. And look at the number of errors that we are also getting. It's crazy than crazy. Like, why so many invalids? Okay, now this is not the issue. If we see what is exactly happening, there is this script that is actually calling it. All right. So I'm just gonna go get this script right now. Okay, first let's wait till this whole chaos has stopped. 625. I'm waiting for like 4,000 at least. I think it's stopping around 3,000 or 4,000. But let's see. Let's take one particular URL. I'm just gonna copy the URL, right? So if I open an incognito window, oh, not this URL. So if I close this, copy this URL, copy link address. This is the link. You can clearly see that it is coming from static.licdn.com, which is actually a LinkedIn content delivery network. It is original, right? So if I open this in Google, I get a lot of things which says malware analysis, malware analysis, malware analysis, malware analysis. All the reports are actually saying verdict as malicious activity. I don't understand what exactly is happening here. Does anyone of you know what's happening here? I think I need to talk to LinkedIn professionals as well. Obviously, the LinkedIn support system, support team, etc. But I tried looking at literally every single device here, whether it is a MacBook Pro, whether it is a Windows machine, whether it is a Linux box, and whether it is even a new virtual machine, new Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11, or Linux box, I'm able to reproduce the same thing here. If you are able to reproduce the same thing, please let me know in the comments, and I'm going to submit this whole video to LinkedIn as well. Thank you so much. We are with this together on this fighting of malware or whatever happens here, and let's get to the end of it. Thank you so much. See you. Bye. Keep in touch.